The OVO X Air Jordan 10 White stands as one of Drake's most memorable sneaker collaborations, symbolizing his peak influence in merging hip-hop and sneaker culture. Initially released in April 2015 at an exclusive Los Angeles OVO pop-up, its scarcity and refined design made it a standout of that year. Crafted from summit white premium leather with stingray skin overlays, the pair was elevated by metallic gold accents, translucent outsoles with gold speckles, and subtle OVO branding underfoot. A limited wider release followed in September 2015, giving more fans access, while a 2016 restock on the OVO app kept demand high yet unmet. Its rarity and luxury finish continue to resonate with sneaker enthusiasts, proving that this release felt timeless rather than trendy. Today, the sought-after pair still commands attention, with availability now largely limited to resale marketplaces like StockX.